daming attire si Van Happy Life. Nag-change attire na naman.
Yung white talaga manitisan.
Pero yan, yung suot mo, okay naman. Malamig din yan. No? Ano? Sharpie. Yan malap? Ano? Sharpie. Doon guys, Sharpie.
My life was feeling so hollow, and I couldn't handle it. So I called a couple of friends and a caring specialist.
Pangalawa pa to na dagat. Tailong Beach.
Till they started to shrink a bit.
Ito na lang.
Nothing's easy, but you gotta believe me. You'll never truly be alone. It's okay to ask for help. Don't need to fix it all by yourself. It's okay to find a friend to lean on and talk it out.
Woo! Picture? May nag-picture din dyan.
Instead of holding on to how you felt. So don't be afraid to go on and reach out. I know it sounds conflicting, but being sad can be addicting. Even when it's awful,
Di ka nag-drone, no?
easier than committing. To face you might be missing,
Woohoo!
and do the harder work of fixing.
Maganda siguro ito gamitin wala? Picture?
All of the broken
No?
pieces
Try natin, Maya.
out of play.
Baka klarong-klaro.
Nothing's easy, but you gotta believe me. You'll
Bagay
never
kasi siguro
truly
sa'yo na
be
ganito nga mga
alone.
damit na suot ko ba? Loose.
It's okay to
Ikaw, mahilig ka sa mga fitting din. Hindi ka mag-try ka din sa mga...
all by yourself. It's okay
Oo.
to find a friend to lean on and talk it out.
Ganda,
Talk
guys.
it out. It's okay to ask for help instead of holding on to how you felt.
Ano?
Don't be afraid to go on and reach out. There's nothing to fear. Oh, I know you'll find someone who hears you. Oh, I know you'll find someone who helps you through the day. It'll soon be clear when you find someone who hears you. Find someone who loves the things you say. Oh, it's okay to
Taga Mindanao pa. Di dyan talaga yan mag-atras.
fix it all by yourself.
Kasama ate niya.
It's okay
Oo.
to lean on and talk it out. Talk it out. It's okay to
Kaya nga, takbo na tayo. Dapat.
instead of holding
Parang 3 hours yata yan. Paakyat? 2 hours.
Don't be afraid to go on and reach out.
Dito. Yun o, yung harapan ang dagat. Ano ka na, bitch? Hindi mo man gamitin to. Mas maganda pa to. Maganda to. Yan si Banam. Okay. Yan, sharp pick pa kami, oh. Tara. Longki pala to. Parang dito ata. Hala. Or doon. Dito. May daan, di ba? Oh, may daan dito. Ha? Ay? Patay.
Karin kami doon sa beach guys. Pumasok kami dito sa may restaurant. Ayan, oh, may tao.
Ito nga.
Pero naglakad sila doon.
Pahamting tong pauwi yun. Ito nga. Dati.
Pero galing sila doon.
Ano eh.
Pasok kayo sa restaurant guys. Tapos may makita kayo ano dito. Globid. Globid. Hello. Okay.
Dito, ano na kasi ito.
Okay, good guys. Start.
Walang tao, di ka din
Umakyat ba? Tapos? Dito?
Oh. Pangatlong beach. Pala hinahanap ko doon sa dulo, yung doon sa bato-bato ba? Kasi nga paakyat inisip ko.
Unang ano pa lang, hingal na.
Tayo mag-surrender. Tuloy.
Go, go, go! Traffic! Go! No retreat, no surrender!
Nauna na. 1:30 at.
No oras na?
Look pa naman po.
Okay ka lang.
Nagalaw-galaw kahapon. Exercise yung mga.
Sana, right, left. Right.
Baka dito.
Hingal agad. Saan dito?
Oh,
Right.
ito na yung masukal. Ang daan.
May magabihan na naman kami guys. Wow!
Yan, pangatlong. Pangit pala yun na naman yung sapatos ko na napili. Maano pala ako nito. Maliit ang ano niya ba? Hindi spike. Yung talampakan ba? Maliit. Kaya out balance.
Right and admit that my life was feeling so hollow.
Hindi siya malapad.
I couldn't handle it. I called a couple of friends.
Ay.
And a caring specialist. I talked to all
Sana yung ano pala.
of them.
Ano nga yung binili natin? North Face?
Shrink a bit. Nothing's easy, but you gotta believe me.
Ha?
Never truly be alone.
Ilang? Oo. Diyan.
Don't need to fix it all by yourself. It's okay.
Noon nga, hindi madumi to dito. Yung maraming mga damo. Mahirap. Ngayon, sa dami na nagpunta, na ako na. Yan, nakita na namin ang Sharp Peak. Dito wala. Mahirap dyan wala. Sige.
But being sad can be addicting. Even when it's awful, it's still easier than committing. To face you might be missing and do the harder work of fixing all of the broken pieces out of play. Oh. Nothing's easy, but you gotta believe me. You'll never truly be alone.